This is my first gaming PC build, and here are the components that I purchased. For motherboard, I went to the ASUS Republic of Gamers Strix Z390E Gaming. For processor, I went with the Intel Core i7-9700K. For storage, I'm going with an M.2 for my OS, so I bought the Samsung 970 EVO Plus, 1 terabyte. Also have a WD Black 1 terabyte hard disk drive. For memory, have the Corsair Vengeance DDR4 16 gigabytes running at 3000 megahertz. For video, have the another ASUS component, the Strix GeForce 2060 6 gigabyte card. For cooling, purchased a couple of Corsair 120 millimeter red LED fans. And then for CPU cooling, I went with the air-cooled Noctua. This is the black version of their NHU12S, which looks a lot better than the strange-looking gray or tan-looking one that they had before. And all this is powered by a Corsair 750 watt power supply. And the case I'm using is a Corsair Carbide Series 175R. It's got a nice little glass case, a glass panel on the one side.